naman, magtaram ka man. Mag-review mo na, i-review mo ng ako, Flask. I-review mo. Ako makapot, review mo.
Ako plus. Jolie. Wait lang.
Mukbang.
Kawat. Let's go. Wait lang, guys.
Ah! Yun na, sige na, vlog lang.
Paiyang maiinggit ay mga subscribers na sinang bagong gagel tumbler Jolie.
Review mo. This has 12 hours hot and 24 hours cold. It's BPA free, double walled and vacuum sealed. 18/8 stainless steel, lead free. Lead free. See? Lead free. This it was designed in California. It's a real one. Tara man.
Hell, let's go get the goggles is California. I want this my brother, this for me, this for me, this for me. This my brother. This my brother, Plumber. Me to me, the Plumber. Let's go, 44.
40 ounces.
Yes. First, enta. One entrance. Tabag. Here, tabag this. Tabag. Here, tabag is free to buy this. Free and say, party. Okay. Free bag, this get you lumber.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.